Namaskar, my dear divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal. I hope to God that each one of our dreams do come true. पंचपोर्टल एक ऐसा गेटवे है जो आपकी जिंदगी के 5 एरियाज के बारे में आपको बताता है। बिजनेस, मनी, रिलेशनशिप्स, योर हेल्थ एंड योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी। इन 5 पोर्टल्स के बारे में बताएंगे वीकली बेसिस पे मेरे यानी ट्रांसेंडिंग बिलीव्स के एक्सपर्ट्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मोक्षपथ।
Namaste Divine Souls, this Alpa with you sharing guidance from the Mokshpatha board for the realm of heart and mind harmony from 23rd to 29th March 2026. This week focuses on a balance between your thoughts and emotions. Your mind will be active in a positive way. It will help you to look at situation with deeper awareness and maturity. Past experiences may come into your thoughts not to disturb you but to help you to understand them better. You may naturally reflect more, which will support wiser decisions. At the same time, your heart will feel soft and open. You will become more emotionally aware and compassionate. You may desire meaningful conversation, deeper bonding, and true understanding. This week supports harmony. When you pause before speaking, your words will carry calm energy. When your mind stays clear and your heart stays gentle, confusion reduces and clarity increases. This is a week to respond with grace, not to react with impulse. Balance will bring peace in relationships and stability within yourself. Also, this week helps you think clearly while feeling deeply without losing your inner balance. And it's time for the remedy. Chant the affirmation 3 times daily. My mind is clear, my heart is calm. I respond it with balance. I, Alpa, a Mokshpatha expert and guide, access bar healer and manifestation coach, taking a leave for now. And yes, for the personal guidance or session, you can direct message us. Thank you.
Namaste dear friends, I'm Shilpa Shah, the Mokshpath reader and an advanced Vastu practitioner, and I'm here to share an insight from the board on the realm of Prospero Vitality for the week of March 23rd to March 29th, 2026. As we approach the final session on the Panch Portal, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all my viewers. In the realm of Prospero Vitality, the guidance from the board highlights that aggressive or violent tendencies negatively impact both our physical health and on our financial well-being. When we allow these negative energies to take root, they not only drain us emotionally, but they create a cycle of stress that disrupts our peace of mind. As this turmoil grows, our ability to make informed financial decisions diminishes and our overall prosperity gets affected. But by recognizing these patterns early, we can redirect our energy towards calm, balanced, and mindful actions that nurture both our health and our abundance. It is important to cultivate calmness and compassion for a balanced and peaceful mindset. As a simple yet powerful remedy, keep your environment serene and harmonious. Use calming colors around you. Make sure spaces are well ventilated. That is all for now. For further guidance, feel free to DM me. With gratitude, stay healthy, happy and wise.
मोक्षपथ एक ऐसी साइंस जो 12th सेंचुरी में ऋषियों ने बनाई to give you an idea of what life should be, of how to master yourself and to walk the path of practical spirituality. I never knew I could have my cake and eat it too till I met Mokshpath in my life. However, if you think Mokshpath is not for you, think again. Mokshpath हम सब के लिए है. So if you are ready to welcome Mokshpath into your life, do comment on this video and let us know. We will get in touch with you with the correct information. Till then, enjoy the next few videos of Panchaportal and complete this week's reading, hoping it brings you all the wellness you desire.
Hi, welcome to our last episode of Punch Portal. Thank you all for watching and supporting the series. Your support means a lot to all of us. My name is Karishma, and today I'm going to talk about work energy flow for week 4, which is from March 23rd to March 29th. This realm is about your work environment and your action towards it. So the guidance is to get it in balance. This week, you may be facing challenges with regards to balancing your professional and personal life. There is some stress as you are struggling with finalizing things and taking decisions on time. A healthy work environment needs to be created by you. Start working as a team towards it. This will give you the clarity on why these challenges have occurred and how to synchronize it. Set achievable goals and celebrate small victories at your workplace. Any business or profession requires a clear communication for its growth. So, encourage this and eliminate rigidity at your end as well as at your team level. This week also set boundaries to support the work energy flow and to achieve growth with a positive environment and attitude. If need be, you can also seek mentorship or coaching for professional development. Remember to take a break and not become a workaholic, as this will recharge you. You will also increase your creativity, productivity, and keep you energized. Add some compassion, emotion, practicality at your workplace. Remedy for you is to set boundaries, decide what's important, delegate tasks. When possible, learn to say no and communicate with your team and family. Thank you.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the divine guidance from the Mokshpata board every week. I'm Shashi Sethi, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 23rd March to 29th March 2026 in regard to Realm of Heart connection. The board tells us that our heart signifies the core of our existence. It connects us with reality, fostering compassion and oneness. While our heart chakra's energy is not balanced, we do not feel as if we belong, and there is a need for validation from others. In this state, we are unable to forgive others and accept them as they are. The board guides us to invest time in building authentic connections and to practice empathy and compassion in relationships. The best option is to forgive and let go. The board guides us to communicate and interact openly with our loved ones, address conflicts constructively, and practice forgiveness. When we give quality time and attention to any relationship and prioritize it, it's like giving a renewed life energy, leading to a balanced and vibrant life. For inner peace, the remedy would be chanting Beej Mantra Yum, and you can opt to consume green vegetables and green tea. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer. Feel free to DM us for further queries.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of divine alignment from March 23rd to March 29th, 2026 according to Mokshpata board. The realm of divine alignment represents your connection with the divine source of light. This week, your instinct, your inner self will guide you and you have to walk the path. Trust your inner self. This will show you how your ego is creating a distance, a wall between you and the divine. आपकी अंतर्दृष्टि आपको दिखाएगी कि वास्तव में जिस इल्यूजन, जिस भ्रम में रहकर आप अपने ही अहम का शिकार हो रहे हैं और ईश्वर से सही रूप से नहीं जुड़ पा रहे हैं. आपके लिए सलाह है कि आप ओम मंत्र का मन ही मन जाप करें, जिससे आपका आज्ञा चक्र सक्रिय होगा और आप अपने भीतर के देवत्व को, शिवत्व को पहचान कर उससे जुड़ पाएंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. आपकी जानकारी के लिए पंच पोर्टल का ये हमारा अंतिम अध्याय है. आपने हमारी भरपूर सराहना की और हमारा आत्मविश्वास बनाए रखा. हम आपके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं. भविष्य में फिर किसी कार्यक्रम को लेकर हम आपके सामने पुनः उपस्थित होंगे। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। धन्यवाद।
I hope this week's Punch Portal adds a lot of value and wellness to your life. If you have a question or if you would like to get a personal reading, do leave us a comment telling us the name of the professional you would like to work with. And remember, 2025 is a whole new slate to write on. So wish you a very happy new year and happy manifesting.